Well, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the Ndamoh Mannah house build here in Cavalier. So today we thought we'd give you a little bit of an update. We've got a lot of fellas out here. You can see them all over there. Those are the guys working on the foundation. And we have placed up a buffer, which is a temporary shelter to get everybody out of the sun. The midday sun here is absolutely brutal. And that is a 17 by 15 temporary structure made from stick from the bush and palm leaves, which is pretty cool. So it does a really good job of cooling everybody down. And it's just sitting right off the back of the house here. And that way everybody that visits onto the property can actually have a seat there and chill out and relax and maybe even get in on some of the work if they want to. But today I wanted to talk to you about this. This is the foundation. Guys are doing a really good job. Remember, this is 1.20 meters, shy of 4 feet, and this is a bit wider than we wanted it to be. This is about 30, so we're going to have to. It was a bit too round over here on the corners when they were digging it, and it's so hard. There's rock and stone. It's all clay. It's tough to deal with, and when you're pickaxing it, a lot of stuff breaks away and so forth. But we're going to box it in and make sure we stay within our parameters of 20 centimeters wide on this foundation. So this is pretty good. We still have a little trim work to do over here. This is the back stairway. This back here is actually the great room area that sticks off the back of the house. Okay, that's an octagon shaped room, and that is what we're looking at there. This is the staircase foundation, and right in this area here is the French doors for the master bedroom. A window right above here. This is the master bedroom wall, so you can see how good this is. That little area right in there is for a small pillar that is going to be holding up the floor on this house, because it is a wood joisted floor, not a concrete floor. So this is looking pretty good. So they're going to continue on through the front bathroom area. It's all marked out in stakes. And then on into the other bathroom and the bedroom and the front of the house. So they've gotten around just about halfway, and they're doing a really good job. You can see all the stakes down with the squares around them. Those are all 8 foot by 8 foot. Every 8 feet square, that are going to be pillars that are going to be going up to the first floor, holding up the floor. Yeah. So I just wanted to make sure. It's a little bit of overkill probably, but I wanted to make sure that we were going to be not squeaking. The wood here is actually quite wet, even though we're using mahogany, and it's going to be a little bit wet. I want to make sure that it's got something solid to sit on, and we don't have too much of a span. So there you go. So I'm going to just walk around to the front of the house. You can see right down here, you've got the big white pillars with the white stakes on them. And there's 2 big white pillars sitting on either side of the doorway. And I've just sort of laid out the doorway with sticks just so we can actually see where we were on the house when we were putting it down on the ground. So that's going to be a nice open wide staircase. We decided to take the square fronted staircase off of that because it's traditionally African. You see a lot of African houses here with that kind of front step on it, and we just didn't want to be just like everybody else, so we decided just to make a nice contoured staircase up to the first floor. So it's looking pretty good. So you can get a perspective of where everything is. I've been over here next to my favorite palm. You know, when I drive up to the front of this house with Miss Hulai in the morning, and even when we have visitors, it's so barren out here that there's no sort of landscaping going on. Yeah, it just drives me crazy, and I'm not in on the foundation build, and all those fellas over there in the buffer, they are out on up on the hill up there by the big trees. They're hacking all that stuff down with cutlasses, big machetes, and they're digging up the roots so it will not grow back. So that is going to be ideal, but we have 13 guys out there doing that today. So I've been over here on my favorite palm. I think I'm going to name this palm Lee Palm, after my mother here at Ndamoh Mannah. But we've got these nice bamboo sticks that are very native to the Kemabai area. You can't find them down where we're staying in Vincola. They just don't grow down there. But we've got a lot of cool riverbeds up here that are sort of hidden away where we actually get the sand from. And this is just a quick laydown of these bamboos. They'll turn brown, and you can see I've been hacking them down with a bow saw, and I'm trying to get around in a circle and fill it up, and we're going to be putting a planting area in there with flowers and so forth. So when you drive up to the house, that it just doesn't look so stark and barren. It just drives me crazy. I know it's probably, you know, but I'm sort of idle here sometimes, and wanting. There's never a shortage of things to do on this property, and this one was just one that I just thought I would just tackle today. It's a lot of sawing. Bamboo is a bit difficult to cut. I was actually going to bring a chainsaw with me, a small one, but Miss Hulai talked me out of that, said we didn't need it. We had people here that had one. But, you know, everything costs money here. And yeah, I have to be doing it by hand because I did not get it while we were over at England. But it is what it is. But I've been loading up the back of the truck, our faithful little farm truck, with the dirt from over there at the foundation. So you can see the big mounds of dirt over there. So I just drag the truck around there, grab a shovel, and stick 100 shovels of dirt onto the back of the truck, and I bring it back over here and just offload it by hand onto this area. So when they excavated this whole property and brought it down 6.5 feet in certain areas, they brought this area down 2 feet. So the whole bottom of this, if you were to look down to the ground here where the wheel is on the wheelbarrow, that is about a 2-foot drop from where the roots, you can see the roots there. Oops. There you go. That's where the roots are. So we're going to put the bed up to at least that area and then go down to the swamp area and get some really nice topsoil and so forth, and put some flowers in there and see whether we can keep it watered. It gets nice shade because this is a nice old palm. And I'm almost finished. I'll show you around the back. I'm trying to get it around in a circle. It's not actually, it is in the center because this palm has a slight bend to it. And this whole thing is in a circle. But I just have to shore it up and so forth. It's just, well, some of them are just sitting on top there. And I've got to backfill this whole thing. And it's actually going to come out directly from this area here on the bottom out about 6 feet. And it's going to be a huge mound out there. So I've got a lot of dirt to be taken onto this truck over here. I might get some help with some helping hands to help move some of this dirt. But that is what is going on. The foundation is looking really good. I'm going to get some more footage here just shortly when all the guys get back from lunch, and they get working on that, so you can see what kind of effort they actually have to put in to be able to get the foundation to look that good. So they take pride in everything they do, which is great, and these guys are fed and watered and happy, and they are back down the hill over there and over onto the far hill with the big tree over there. They are starting on the back and then working their way to the front, and then they will work their way all the way around the back of the store, all the way back there up to the top of the new land, newly purchased land. So we just want to keep the fire down and risk a fire, and this is the easiest way to actually do it. So I will leave it there, and I'll pick it up when these guys get back to work on the foundation, and I'll give you more of an idea of what it actually takes to get it built like that. Okay, see you. Bye for now. Here comes Miss Hulai. She's trying to help us straighten out the road. It's very bumpy. It doesn't look like it too terribly much, but when you go out of here in the evening and the lights are on it, you can see all the undulations. So we're just gonna keep on. Hello, Miss Hulai.
Hi.
You having fun yet?
Just about.
Is it hot enough?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. You're on YouTube. Say hello.
How is school?
It's not school, girls. Because the school's right back behind there. So they see us working over here. They wonder what's going on. So it's pretty hot out here right now. I've got sweat dripping into my sunglasses. I can barely see where I'm going. But let's watch Miss Hulai do some work. Right underneath the bathtub. Okay. I'd say it's about 90 degrees out here right now. So it's just around midday, 12:30. Miss Hulai doing a good job there.